Hi, I'm Dr. Hemant. I'm the anaesthetist. So I am having this problem of hair loss since many years, maybe around 4 to 5 years. I came to know about this transplant thing, but I was not sure where to go for it. So I just came to know two of my friends who did from Harley's. So I came to know, that's how I came to know Dr. Sumit Agrawal. And then I met him, uh, and he actually comforted me the way how it will happen, and he just explained me what all things we can do prior to the surgery, post surgery, and how it will be managed. So on 3rd of April, I have planned my surgery. So being an anesthetist, still I was much worried. How will be the pain? How it will be post surgery? How will be the pain will be managed? And will there be a proper growth of my hair or not? So, but still, Dr. Sumit, he was very caring and very comforting. So he said not to worry about the things. He took very good care of me. Prior procedure, he just told me how it will be done, and prior procedure also he explained me it will be a local anesthetist and anesthesia which will be given to me, and that's how it began. And now this is how the story started, and I hope like every other satisfactory patients, even my journey will be in that way, growing to a good end.